Hello 7th graders, your new video is for section 9.2, which covers experimental probability. So remember I said that there were a couple different types of probability. You have the theoretical probability that we did yesterday, and then you have experimental probability, which is what we're going to do today. And the only difference is that it's actually based on experimental data or observations. Remember that theoretical probability was what could happen, okay? How many outcomes could happen. This is actually things that did happen. You did an experiment and you kept track of it, and that's what did happen, okay? So number of times an event occurs goes on top, and the total number of trials goes on the bottom. So for my example here, if I have 60 coins, or excuse me, if I toss a coin 60 times, and 25 of those 60 times are tails, find the experimental probability of getting tails. Okay, well, how many times did the event occur? How many times did you get a tail? 25. Total number of trials, tells you right there, 60. And just like normal, you have to reduce. So 5 out of 12 then would be tails. So for the next one, if 12 bikes out of 400 are defective, how many will be defective out of 3,500? We've just got done doing stuff just like this with those samples that we did in the last chapter. You have to set up a proportion, right? Because you have three pieces of information, the fourth piece is missing. So how many bikes were defective? 12 out of how many total? 400. And you want to guess how many will be defective out of 3,500 total. See how I have both totals on the bottom? You have to make sure that you have the same type of information on the bottom and then the same type on the top. Defective is going to go on top. So then I crisscross. Just go ahead and solve my proportion. So 42,000 equals 400x. So then I just go ahead and divide by 400 to finish it off. So 42,000 divided by 400. It won't go in there. It'll go in 4,200. Or it'll go in 420, I guess, once. Then it won't go into 200. But it will go into 2,000 5 times. So then your answer is 105 bikes. If they wanted you to write it as a probability, it'd be 105 out of 3,500. So it depends how they're asking the question. 105 bikes are defective. So there's really not much to this. It's kind of just like what we were doing with theoretical probability, but it's experimental this time. So bring that knowledge with you. We'll talk about it more the next time I see you. Have a good night.